Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn on sensitive media from others on Discord. This is useful if your friends or community members share images or content that might be flagged as sensitive, and you want the choice to view them without restrictions. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once it loads, look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. This will take you directly into your user settings menu, where you can control everything about your account, privacy, and content preferences. Next, inside the settings menu, find the small gear icon. Tap on it to open up all of your personal settings. Now, scroll down until you see the section called Content and Social. This is the area where Discord allows you to manage how content gets displayed, including media marked as sensitive. Under sensitive media, you're going to see several options. What you want to focus on is direct messages from others. Tap on that option. By default, it may be set to hide sensitive media automatically, but here, you'll have the ability to change it. Now, choose the option labeled Show. When you select this, Discord will no longer blur or block sensitive media sent to you in direct messages from other people. Instead, the content will appear just as it's shared, without extra filters. That way, you're in full control of what you view and when you view it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on sensitive media from others on Discord. This setting can be changed at any time, so if you ever want to go back and hide sensitive content again, you can easily switch it off using the same steps. By customizing this option, you make sure your Discord experience works the way you want it to. Whether you prefer to see everything right away or keep some content hidden, the choice is completely yours. Thanks for watching.